your voice next to me. Flashbacks coming in scenes, highlighting perfect memories. I remember how our hands used to touch.
Hi guys, today I'm going to do some passion twists, and this is how the hair looks. We have 6 packs of hair, so that's what came in the package, you all. And this is how the hair looks when you take it out of the package. Nice and stringy. So I'll just go ahead and part my hair, guys, to save time. So I'll just be doing some medium size twists. Nothing too fine because I don't have the entire day to sit and do all this, you all.
Even now you're leaving me. Dreams and memories are fading, but I know.
Doing these passion twists, I'll be doing the rubber band method, which is easy for beginner. If you can't grip the braid to start twisting and you don't have that money to go in the salon and spend all day to braid your hair from scratch, this is a perfect method for you.
I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive. Heaven has a reason to.
So now that I finished parting, this is how it looks, and as I said, this is the medium size because we don't have all day. No, we don't have all day to sit and do all this. So this is how it is. I put 3 at the back. At the top, I had like 4 or 5. I don't know. And that's the way I do it. In no particular order. I just part and just try to do them as neatly as I can. So this is how it looks, you all. For this passion twist, you'll need the latch hook and the crochet braids. And I'll be using 3 strands of hair. I like to unravel my hair so it makes the twist bouncier. Yeah, so I'll unravel all 3 pieces of hair before I insert it. This definitely makes the hair more bouncy when you're twisting. And I'll go through and pull the hair through. I'll be doing this like 1 strand at a time to not have too much tension on my hair. But if you're doing this, it's your preference. If you want to go in with all 3 strands or whatever strand you're using, that's up to you, you all.
Surrounded by angels in time. No more crying, no more dying. Flying around you, dancing on the napkins. Surrounded by angels tonight. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels.
Now that I have all 3 strands, I'm just going in with this braiding gel and add a little to my hair to try and make sure my hair is well nice and neat in the braid. Then I'll go ahead and just twist away, and I'm going for a bob look, so I'll just twist the hair to the length that I wanted. Then I'll go in with an elastic band to secure the hair where I'll be cutting, so when I cut it, it doesn't unravel.
I see as I hear your voice next to.
Now I'll go in with the scissors and cut the hair to the length that I wanted. This is how I'll be doing the entire hair, you all, so no need to keep repeating myself like a broken record, okay?
Memories. I remember how our hands used to touch. Conversation with no end, it's no force. How we used to vibe under the blue skies, but you turned my smiles into gray skies. You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me. But when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay. But it was all a dream. It was all a dream. Miss, I have to go home. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me. But when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay. But it was all a dream. It was all a dream. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. You took something from me. Forgotten my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try.
Now I'm going ahead and laying these baby hairs. No teenager, grandma, or auntie, or nothing like that hair. These are the real baby hair, you all.
Never dies, Mr. Gray Skies. I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally.
I am going in with some hair jewelry just to add a little color to the hair. Just a little, guys. Nothing too dramatic.
You were everything to me. Words and memories always dead. They don't capture what you mean.
I'll be using this argan oil to moisturize my scalp.
All my pain wants us to be together. All my love tells you rest forever. You were my angel in life. I didn't know angels could die. I hear your voice call in the night. You tell my heart you're alive.
So you could go ahead and you could have them. You can put them up. You can put it up like this. You can create a lot of hairstyle with this bob look. You can go in and just add it up there like that if this is how you want to do it. But you can go in and put it up like that and just leave out a little if that's your goal. Yeah. Or you can go in and do it something like this. Yeah. And it still looks cute whatever way you want to wear it. Also, guys, you could also go in and just twist the hair and go for a long look if that's what you were going for. But this twist makes it look like your natural hair, so this is definitely a plus look if you're going for this style. And this is how the hair is looking, guys. Yeah, so I told you you have the options of doing all that. So you can see it looks like it's growing from your scalp, and it looks really, really natural with this bob looks. It is not heavy, it is nice and light. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye guys. Bye.
No crying, no dying, surrounded by angels of the